Look at that spread. Let's go. Let's go. I see you climbing up the chart, looking overboard. Yeah, you're flying too close to the sun, giving all you got. All science 99. Tell me, is it real? Or are you pumping up the volume just to close a deal? I'm sitting calm in the shadows with the heavy position, waiting for the bulls to finally lose their vision. I see the weight getting long, hitting resistance high. Don't tell me that you're holding, baby, don't you lie. 'Cause the bid is getting weak, yeah, and liquidity is leaking, yeah. I see the panic starting to creep in, yeah. So tell the buyers good night, 'cause the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash, crash, crash. Oh, drop that ass. Oh, yeah, feel that order. Drop that ass. You're trying to find support at the moving average, but I know the fundamentals represent the savage. I borrowed shares at the top, sold them in the green. Now I'm watching red candles wash away the dream. I hear the margin calls ringing on the telephone. Suddenly the diamond hands feel all alone. The volume spike is coming in heavy on the sale. We're riding on the algorithm straight to hell. 'Cause the bid is getting weak, yeah, and the liquidity is leaking. I see the panic starting to creep in. Hands in the air, say goodbye. Till the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Let's create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Let's create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Let's create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Let's create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Let's create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Let's create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash. Lower highs, lower lows. That's the way the rhythm goes. Break the trend line, stop loss. Watch the valuation drop. Don't stop, keep falling. And don't stop, keep falling. Flush it. Cause the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash, 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 crash. They don't see the move, nah. They see it, taking it, yeah. Stocks was the warm up, yeah. Crypto's a new play. They don't see the move, nah. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't your fast, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fold, yeah. They checking the headlines, I'm checking the chain. They seeing the panic, I'm seeing the game. They punching the clock, stuck in the rain. I'm building the future, I'm changing the game. This ain't no casino, this a calculated play. They follow the herd, I go my own way. Buying the red, they'll be sick on the green day. I read the white paper, they don't know what to say. Yeah, this is for the ones who got iron grip. That's price. It's sold at the bottom, they messed up the trip. We just bought a deal, add another chill. Let them run their mouth, man, I'm zipping the lip. Watching this stack go. Stocks was the one, crypto's a new play. Crypto's see the move play. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't too fat, man, we taking it hippo. That's the end goal, stacking till it can't fold. 6 figures, 7 figures, what's the deal? This ain't no get rich quick, this is a shift. Generation, no, this is a gift. They hoping for luck, I'm reading the script. I'm my own bank, now I am the boss. They can't see the vision, that's when they lost. I cut out the middleman, cut out the cost. Whether the winner, don't care about the frost. This is digital gold, this a new age. Turn my whole portfolio, turn a new page. They stuck in the past like a new praise. While I'm on the next move, building the stage, gone. I'm on the next move, building the stage, gone. They said it was nothing, said it was a dream. Now they all watching me, watching on screen. It's a lonely road. We are the one who know. We are the one who know. Yo, stars was a warm up. Crypto's a new play. They don't see the move now. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't your fat, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fall.
Yeah. They look at the chart and see history. I look at the chart and I see destiny. Yeah, I'm already there.
Candles are painting, I tell them the color. You hedging your bets, yeah, you scaring your mother. 50 lights deep and I don't even blink. I know what the algorithm's starting to think. Liquidity grabs, yeah, I see where it's hiding. The wave reposition, I'm already riding. Your stop loss is hitting, my take profits printing. You running the sprint, but I finished the mission before it began. God plan, I don't guess, I don't stress, I don't pray for luck. I see the setup form and I don't give a fuck. Vision is 2020, looking down from the sky. Watch the green candles fly. I go to tomorrow, I'm bringing the bag back. Stuck in the present, I'm off of the map back. I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, then I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I don't the fix, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, Look, I'm at the bottom while you were asleep. I'm playing for keeps, I'm diving in deep. The oracle speaks, I hold it for weeks or I hold it for seconds. I am a legend, a force to be reckoned. ES is jumping, NQ is pumping, I feel it coming. My heart isn't thumping. Go ice, I'ma go. Made this stories told. I don't guess, I don't stress, I don't pray for luck. I see the setup forming, I don't give a fuck. Vision is 2020, looking down from the sky. Watch the green candles fly. I go to tomorrow, may bring the bag back. You stuck in the present, I'm off of the map back. I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, then I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I'm the fix, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock. Yeah. Top bottom, I'm already there. I go to tomorrow, bringing the bag, bring it back. You stuck in the present, I'm off of the map, I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, and I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I'm a bitch, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock. Yeah, market's open.
Alrighty, good morning, Green Team. Hope you guys are doing well this week. We got EVMN with phase 2 trials waking up the market a little bit. Yesterday, there were a couple plays, nothing too crazy. LIMN has still been insanely volatile. CCHH was a little tricky, and then BRLS. Those yesterday. BRLS ended up, and CCHH both ended up having a little bit of a short trap on them. They were kind of same category right there over the dollar, CCHH and BRLS. And we were seeing some traps on those. So we're waking up, right? Waking up. Getting the shorts trapped, squeezing them out. That's what small caps has been about here the last couple months. It was insane because we had the TCGL and then it just all volume died thereafter. It was that hit ELPW with the halt after halt after halt after halt, and then we died thereafter. But maybe we'll wake up a little bit this week. Maybe we'll wake up a little bit. But I hope you guys are doing well this morning. A little bit of trading wisdom for you this morning. Most traders lose because they demand the market feel predictable, but the market only rewards those who accept uncertainty and still act with clarity. So we got to stop demanding the market feel predictable and actually start thinking more in terms of accepting that uncertainty. Don't demand predictability, accept uncertainty. That's when you'll act with clarity. All right, let's head over to the war room, guys, and see what we got this morning. That's Fade's chart. There we go. All right, I'm gonna add a few of the tickers this morning to the tape up top while we're waiting. But yeah, the phase 2 trials, guys. What does it say? It says, is this drug effective? And yes, EVMN is. Now, that one IPO'd not that long ago, EVMN. It looked like November is when she IPO'd. So just be mindful of that going into today. A lot of consolidation on that past chart history, really since November. And then poof, out of nowhere she goes. Doug in the house. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Doug. Tuna. Oh boy. Fades in the building. What's going on, Fades?
Good morning, guys. It's ding dong time.
Oh, ding dong.
Doug, what is ding dong, Doug?
Oh, okay. DDL. Ding dong Cayman. Okay.
Oh Lord. Cayman entity. You know what's going
Ding.
on there.
This thing's gonna take off
Is that
just
like
because of that name.
is that Epstein's old like shell company or something? Ding dong Cayman Island?
Ding Dong Cayman plans to use majority of 997 million sale proceeds for share repurchase or dividends.
Okay.
Sale of the China operations. All right.
Nice. All right.
For share repurchase.
You had any trades this morning?
No, I haven't. No. Just
The
been kind of
ABP.
reviewing. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So they did that one. What Goldman Sachs has a stake in them, I think. That's why they.
Yeah. Had strong news, rallied hard after hours, and then it had that 4 a.m. bag holder audition. Formed a big old head and shoulders on the day. Goldman Sachs is like it's strong enough to create a rally, but at the same time, did that warrant it to be up 100% and stay up? You know, that's kind of what we saw, like the diamond hands, and then it's like the flip just kind of switched at 4 o'clock, right? It's been trending down since. Here at this level, interesting. Could get bull momentum today if nothing else moves. You know, the bulls could take that and run with it, right? On the boards, Goldman Sachs pump. So we'll see. But I did a little bit of short scalping there this morning, not too much. But
Oh, okay. Nice. Good work. Any did a reverse split. Yeah, let's see if they're going to wake up the market today, guys, in small caps. It'll be interesting to see what they do with this ding dong and any reverse split. We saw several of those splits take off. Again, EVMN. There's not much technical analysis we can do on this because we look left and there's really what I mean. We got 23. Where's she at right now? 33. Yeah, I mean she's up way. She's blowing past all levels. EVMN on the phase 2. So a tinier float is it's the leading gap or what? It's up 100%. Which is tiny relative to a few weeks ago, Fades. A few weeks ago, like, our leading gapper was what, like, 700%. You'd have these, like
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, it
insane.
was phew, man. It was wild couple weeks, but the green team printed. A lot of people
Mhm.
got funded, got hit targets, hit payouts. So let's keep it moving, but always staying humble, right? We've never made it. We're always making it. So
Love it. Love it, love it. Alright, so we'll monitor this price action. Again, the float on this is 17,000,000. Volume I'm seeing is 4.7,000,000, so really not even that much volume relative to that flow. It hasn't rotated yet. Uh, but, yeah, there's a couple backside plays I really wanna watch as well. Yesterday,
yeah, let's go
I
over.
did take a couple trades on UOKA, which was guys, UOKA was like a perfect 20 Magic 20 tap. Look at this. She's down to 74 cents. That spike up to Magic 20 cent area and fade.
Mm,
Shoo. Man,
wow.
that thing was gorgeous. So that was just a beautiful fade. And then BRLS and CCHH are a couple plays as well that we could see backside today. BRLS 15 is a level to monitor. On the backside there, she's still up from 60 to $1.30. And then
Hmm.
CCHH is we want to monitor that 120 level. CCHH Chinese play, by the way. So
Love it.
could get rowdy. That 120 I do like though. Again, identifying where's the risk and sticking to
Right.
that risk and with good RR behind them. So those two I like. And then outside of that, there was a
That
L,
lemon
L,
again.
yeah, I was going to mention Lemon. Look at that dump yesterday on Lemon, but she keeps hanging in there.
Yeah, that action, dude. It's
Yeah,
almost
look at
like you just got to be tunneled in on these trades. Like you tunnel out for a second and you miss a big old spike or a big dump.
insanity, the volatility here on LIMN. So, I mean, it keeps putting in what looks like a death candle, but the Lazarus effect keeps happening on this thing. I think Fades coined that term, the Lazarus effect. These things, it's like they completely dump and then reclaim. Instead of reclaim, we're
Revival like
together.
we've never seen before.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man. Yeah, CCH is the king of the 5 day. Behind that's Lemon. Nothing else really sticks out on the 5 day. We go back to the 1 month, we still have BNAI. That thing's still at
Hmm.
500%. That Piggly
She's in a
Wiggly.
good pattern. She's in a good pattern
Yeah, that
actually
could be
too.
the sleepy fade that just continues with risk level set. Definitely
But
wouldn't sit in it without a stop though, because we know what can happen. But
that 20 is really trying to hold on it, but that's a key level right there. We keep seeing lower wicks on BNAI there.
A&L is slower one, but interesting. It's also up
That
500% on the month.
that's funny you mentioned that. That was going to be my next one too because look at the pattern here. I mean, it's
Hmm.
drew that out this morning.
Yeah, it's like charts to have just on the on the corner of one of your screens, or the TTP watch list is efficient because the green and red, you can categorize it. As soon as market opens, it shows you like what's the loser, what's the leader of your list, and you have that bird's eye view like we talk about. So definitely one to throw on just to monitor it.
Yeah,
EVTV
ANL.
is behind that, but that one is already. It's like had that move, and let me take a look. EVTV. Yeah, it's I mean it could crack lower, but just real slow again.
Dude,
Still up 350% on the month, guys. EVTV. But just slower again. Um, and let's see.
Dude, there was so SMX had a beautiful hangover yesterday. I missed. I looked at it this morning. I was like, ah.
Oh yeah, that thing's just it was a sketchy one. You know, like after pumping all the way up that high, like it could be kind of scary to short that pump because you don't really know. Like, is this thing going to 20? Is it going to 40? Is it going back to 60? Like, but yeah, hindsight, it's typically like the quicker they pump, the quicker they dump, right? Like that's why we love to see those
Yeah.
junk stocks that just show up on the scanner real quick. Like, oh, all of a sudden they're up 60, 70%. It's like, those like the pump and dump algo most likely, right? Like that's a real edge that I've seen in Pennyland over the past year or two is like those quick pumps that just show up are almost always going to give up. It's just you got to be careful of the grinders, the multi-day grinders, the stair steppers. That's the ones where you tread lightly as a short or wait for more confirmation, right?
Speaking of stair steppers, yeah, I like that. It's like the steeper they are, the weaker they are. FIO is like a known pumper. This ticker I saw up this morning, and that's in a stair step pattern. FIO Pharmaceuticals.
Mm-hmm.
I've known this. Every time I see this ticker, I know she's a pumper. But
Interesting. Right here at Bell, yeah. What's it moving on? Yeah, because that's the little upcoming prince of the day, fourth leader on the list. QNCX is kind of a null because it's only a 23-cent stock. Actually, I took a trade earlier and did not get 10 cents, but it counted. Do you know anything about the 10-cent rule changing, or if it's not on fundeds now, or is that just like I got lucky for once? I got 9 cent profit and they didn't invalidate it.
yeah, I haven't heard of any changes there. I'm not sure, but I will.
Yeah, I accidentally took a 9 cent profit on ABP, right? Scalping it. And I was like, oh shit, that's not going to count, but they counted it. So, win some, you lose some. Even bulls hate those stair steppers. Yeah. Yeah, man. I mean, the key that we've learned, especially, over the last year together, is like you got to be able to be a bull or be a bear, right? Like in this market,
Oh,
the more the dynamic you can be, like less bias and shift accordingly, the better.
yeah, you got to be the transformer shapeshifter.
Yeah, the shapeshifter. But bull bear hybrid shapeshift, it's never been more real.
I need to create like an AI image of like a bull bear hybrid. That'd be funny.
Yeah, we still got that bull in the background. You're getting back to your roots lately.
Oh yeah, like honestly, I just been taking the irrationality,
Yeah, if it's like don't swim against the current, right? Like that was the theme the past couple weeks. Like you said, most stocks we wake up and a bunch of stocks up hundreds of percent. It's like even the scammiest, sketchy tickers were getting love. So an overbiased short, that's just
That's funny. Don't
yeah.
swim against the current. Yeah, as an over ambitious bear, that's oftentimes that can be the case. You are
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man.
swimming the wrong direction.
So the watch list feels a little light today for me though. Um,
All right, so PHIO, the Safety Monitoring Committee concluded its planned safety review for all patients treated with Intosil compound, whatever that is, phase 1B. No serious adverse effects, so it's safe, right? That's what phase 1 asked traders is. It's safe. So FIO phase 1 trials is what it looks like, which this is normally more hype than phase 1 will get. The fact that this thing's up 62%.
right.
Is phase 1's normally just a gimme. Like okay,
Yeah,
your drug better be safe.
right. It's like, okay, we're actually like gonna try this. Okay, cool.
Right.
It's like you guys are willing to help us try this. All right.
Honestly, this might be an overreaction based on the fact that investors did not think that FIO's truck was gonna be safe.
Right? They're like, they're going bankrupt. Oh my God, they're actually running another trial. Shit.
Hmm.
They're in bed with investors. Oh no. We're not going to the OTC after all.
Hmm. Really, a lot of eyes are going to be on this EVMN. Probably out of the gates because this is the one that's trying to wake up market. Outside of
Mm-hmm.
that, it's going to be.
True.
I mean, ABP could get a little bull run, like you said. I mean, I was looking at like on the long side. What's challenging for me is well, I was doing a review like this morning, and you got to jump in with the momentum essentially. Like I hate
Mm-hmm.
I just don't like predicting volume. So you'll have absolutely zero volume, and then just randomly chat rooms all jump in at the same time, and so you just gotta go with with the where the current in the direction of the current, like you said. It's a good analogy.
Yeah.
But understand that that is a quick trade. Like, okay, as this
Mm-hmm.
is likely, this may not sustain, and we see it retracing right now. But yeah, that's why I certainly prefer the shorts. But what we've seen lately in the shorts is just a lot of manipulation, the edge erosion, like Crow says, where
Mm-hmm.
they hunt you down as a short, and so that's why that edge has been tricky.
Yeah, I think that's really key. Like the theme with Pennyland. Yeah, it's like you got to be with the momentum and on the right side of it. I always kind of looked at it like you're at a house party as a kid, right? It's like, oh, y'all are partying, but like the cops eventually are gonna show up and shut the party down. It's like it's fun. It's all fun while you're at the party. But like if you stay too long and then the cops come and you get busted, that's not fun. That's kind of like how these pumps are, right? It's like go to the party, have fun, but know when to leave, right? Don't overstay. And
Mm,
that's when it's like chart reading and volume reading are so key, like you said, because you can't just getting along and just with no volume and just hope and predict like. And same way with the short, just because something's up a lot doesn't mean it's a good short. You got to study the actual price and like what's going on. So yeah, that's really key. Definitely, it's like not so much patterns, but just the momentum and the volume itself. Like we said, the manipulation and stuff. Like certain patterns might not be respected as much as they used to be.
are these real life analogies you're giving?
Oh yeah. %.
Love it. Yeah, tuna. If you're close to if you're real close to your stop, I don't mind. I like a prediction long. If you're real close to your stop, but I mean, when there's zero volume like this BRLS, this is why I like these for a short today. Like even this and CCHH, because it had volume left, volumes elsewhere this morning. Like to catch these for the fade. So watching BRLS, CCHH for a little bit of a fade, and that's where volume invalidates it. In which case, you could just react like Tuna suggesting and take the long if volume does come into the name, but without it. Like even this CCHH right here, like tons of volume. It was a trappy ticker yesterday, but completely dead this morning.
Mm-hmm.
Completely dead. So I like the risk guide against 120, but the invalidation here on the short is going to be all that volume coming back into it. And we've seen that. We've actually seen that, for example, on a trade. I don't remember Tuna, but he called for it. The Tuna signal worked great on it and took the long there, and the short was invalidated. Emmanuel
Mm-hmm.
Will True.
Morning, guys.
Good morning.
Uzo, got the gang in the building.
Yeah,
Green
yeah.
team dialed in. Okay, Doug, you got the tuna software. Cool. Yeah, Tuna's calling out those plays. He's on it.
All right, 32 looks like a key level EVMN. I'm not going to be like super anxious at the bell to take anything. And Fades has been real patient too. I'm gonna see if that can rub off on me just a little bit. And
The over ambitious. Oh, right on. Oh, that's cool. You're doing a free trial. Yeah. Yeah, man. I mean, it's that's the same thing. Like I said, even with my futures trading, I realized the same thing. Like I tended to get smoked at the bell. Like I'm just not. That's just not where I perform the best. And I can be honest with myself. Like Pennyland futures, whatever it is, I just prefer not to trade right at the bell. Um, it's just different strokes for different folks.
Well, there's probably something to it. I mean, there's going to be, like just with the hangovers. Like I'm watching them to essentially with all when all the volume leaves on those, but you're kind of letting with your strategy, you're kind of letting the dust settle as well. Like what's
Hmm.
let all the FOMO momentum jump on these plays, and then you want to let the trade kind of come to you.
Yeah, like that Kelly B the other day was so good. It's like just sitting back and waiting. And we talked about that too a little bit. It's like being a little bit more like the baseball analogy. I feel like that's a good one, right? It's like you don't have to swing at every pitch. Like you swing at every pitch, like that's not going to be good. Like wait for your pitch and then swing a little harder when you get that good pitch, right? Like make some solid contact. I think that was a good way to put it. Like,
Yeah.
oh, that's cool. You and Crow built that together? Oh, I didn't know that. I like that.
It's so fun, going working together on projects like that with
Yeah, that's cool.
how we do the pre-market streams too. Just do it like forming a little community and doing things together
Oh
like that.
yeah. Yeah, the live streams and just the daily, you know, and like you can go to Discord. You need to get something off your mind, like you can just go type Discord, like let it out, whatever it is, like win, loss, you're cooking something, like something off topic. It's cool. Just having that outlet. Like I know, I've talked about that and others have. It can be a lonely journey, quiet journey, especially if you do this, full time and you're not involved in other like work communities and stuff, right? A lot of people's lives are like their community with like who they work with as you get older. It's like after school, it's kind of like your work life, right? And
Mhm.
a lot of traders just go about it alone. So being able to collaborate and work together as a group is really cool. It's yeah, the past year or so, it's been game changer. So we'll see what we got at the bell.
Yep, we got a minute, guys. Let's see. Let's see if the ding dong's gonna get it. DDL, PHIO, any ANY. That did Tuna? Did you bring that one up? Any split day, and that one's already kind of getting a couple shares going through it. At least a couple shares.
ABP, like we'll see what they want to do with that one. It's almost like the long off 2 5s, tight, but right here at Bell. With the Golden Sachs nature, if nothing else goes, that could go. But it's been selling off. They put in that wick, so just monitoring everything right now.
All right, traders. 10 seconds left. Keep the alerts coming. It's kind of there's quite a bit to look at, so keep us updated. You guys normally do a great job of that. We'll flip through these charts and let's get it. EVMN with the phase 2. Let's see what she does at the bell. Under 30 right now.
Oh my God. Wait, what did EVMN just do? Did I just, or is
Huh.
my chart off? Maybe my chart's off.
You made
On
me
TT
nervous right there.
on
I'm like,
TTP, I just got a crazy wick. Like, hold on. Okay, yeah, it was like because I was on a bigger time frame. So
yeah, exactly, Tuna. Yeah, we'll get a whole new list of tickers coming up. Any might be halted down, ANY. No, and he's still in play right now, but that's the reverse split. Really, that could go either direction. Any.
Any direction. So AZI is the king of the losers list right now. It's at $1.11 and dumping. What happened there? Behind that, TECX down 20%. Tectonic Therapeutics.
DDL holding 3. EVMN really slow. EVMN pretty slow right here. And then ABP, not surprising with the Goldman Sachs news, is hanging out there. BRLS hangover sell off. BRLS looking weak and heavy, and CCHH.
Backside fruit.
Yeah.
BRLS. What did it do? Put in a wick at 145 and wash? Somewhat of a sweep and rinse.
Yeah.
4-cent spread. How much volume do we have? ABP getting a little pump so far. Like you said, Goldman Sachs, kind of predictable.
LIMN, yeah, let's take a look there too. LIMN. Oh, LIMN. Dude, it just every pop. Yeah, after that sell off yesterday, every pop was getting hammered. I mean, I like the short there. It's a tricky name though. I mean, look at this chart that we have. The last 20 days, the 145 is a key level. This 145 area, very keys. Tested it a lot, up and
Mm-hmm.
up and down. So that's the previous close. We got to see what it's going to do at the 145 too. Key
Lemon's a
level.
good short today, tuna. I mean, right here at this level, right here, could be the short. Well, it says news. Do they actually have news? Or is Weeble playing games?
SMX
4 million
spiked up
unregistered shares to settle litigation.
on limit.
LIMN. Oh, did that just hit? I think it just hit, bro. Did it just dump? That's a big deal. That's bearish. They're issuing shares because they're getting sued or something? I'm taking a starter. Short. Damn it, I just missed that 165 entry, bro. But it's getting volume pressure down, guys. It says they issued 4 million shares, but have they already done so? I guess that means they already did. Maybe that's why they already dumped. So I'm just gonna take a little starter here for now, especially with the time frame, but looking heavy, guys. See if 1.5 gets washed away here. Damn it, that 1.7 wick into that resistance was nice.
Yeah, I'm monitoring the price action on it. Did you think that was yesterday's news?
I think it just came out. Let me double check again.
Okay.
Because that's but it already had a sell off. So maybe that's what the shares were. So issued 4 million. Company agreed to issue 4 million shares to Clear Street as part of a settlement. The issuance was done.
Oh, FGL was another reverse split, guys. That's halted up. FGL. Be mindful of that one. That one's in a halt up right now. Open 1170. Velo, I'm not seeing on TTP. I mean, let me check again. I could be off on it.
It says the company agreed to issue. It doesn't say they did issue. So I guess now I just need to figure out, have those shares already hit the market, or are they flushing shares right now?
Yeah, I don't see Velo. Velo, is that one halting up? Velo's doing a
LIMN.
red to green move. Is it looking good, LIMN?
Yeah, I'm just studying it a little bit more.
Okay.
But I do like it. I'm just not going to get over ambitious right here this time of the day. So
PHIO looking heavy off of the phase 1 news. Ding dong 3.2's holding up. EVMN testing 30, guys. EVMN testing 30.
Mm-hmm. So let's stay.
ABP curling on down a little bit. ABP 2.4. CCHH has been just a beautiful hangover sell off. That thing 80 cents is a key level on it. CCHH.
It's like the main market pumped and dumped so far since Bell. NASDAQ. LIMN hanging around 1.5. ABP
FGL
moving up. ABP gave it up. CCH cracked.
FGL going to open up about a point higher in 30
Okay.
seconds, so I'm going to watch that one.
Okay. Start your engines, boys. The halt system.
FGL 1320s. Holy cow.
See if NASDAQ's going to break lower here.
FGL going into a 10-minute halt, it looks like.
Okay. Where's the... My chart looks crazy for FGL.
And GTM
That's a
about to open up.
TTP chart. That's just TTP.
GTM.
Wait, FGL, what is this, IPO?
No, GTM just opened up. I think it's going in a down halt.
FGL.
GTM going in a down halt.
GTM?
Yeah.
Oh, God, I can't even trade it on TTP. My shit's all janked out. What? I didn't see a trigger yet, though. It's still... GTM, you said?
Yeah, GTM. It's
Okay.
just playing around right now.
It almost did. It, like, faked out. Fake halt.
Yeah.
Okay. What you guys looking at? Risk on market. What are your biggest play right now, Tuna? How much you working? What do you typically work, Tuna? Like, are you holding a couple trades at a time, or are you kind of tunneled in on one trade? What's your style? Lemon still pressure at 1.5, guys. Maybe look for another 10-20 cent drop there soon. If it stays heavy right here in this range, I'll add to it and tunnel in a little bit more, ready to pull the trigger and reduce or trim. Let me go ahead and add a little bit more. Lemon. I'm gonna have to put my audio alerts back on and get involved in a degenerate email vault. Get everyone back engaged again. We're going long, guys. Going up. Oh my
Going
god.
short, go long.
Days. The chaos days, bro. All that volatility. Bell Madness. Oh my god. Good times. Good memories.
I'm just monitoring this GTM, but FGL, I'm interested in where that one's going to open up here in a second.
Okay. Is there any news on that? Is it a low floater? FGO?
It's a reverse split.
Okay. ABP, rinse and pump. Kind of just chopping right now.
Okay.
It looks like they might have bear trapped everyone there. Yeah, they swept the lows. Yeah, that thing's getting rowdy, guys. That was a pretty aggressive sweep there. Yeah, I'd be surprised if it dumps right back down now. It looks like they kind of trapped bears and swept bulls out.
Good job,
And that's
Crow.
brutal effect, right? And the bulls chase back and the bears have to cover, and that's what you see, that price action. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was kind of thinking the long off that 2425 range for ABP. I kind of mentioned that idea earlier with the Goldman Sachs nature in a slow market, right? Like bulls take that and run with it. Like the gurus can run with that kind of news and front load and pump and sell it,
All
you
right.
know.
FGL reopened 1349. Charlie, I'm seeing 1299 on Zendu. Let's see. 10-minute halt.
ABP 2-3 sweep to 2-7s in a few minutes. That's where the action is right now.
All right. I think we just opened FGL.
Okay.
Just opened FGL.
Interesting. So we touched 7 earlier. Oh no, that was a couple days ago, but
I'm gonna wait for the down halt. I think
it
this
was
went
at yeah. It's at
whenever
8
this
something, 9:30.
panicking down.
All down.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this halt.
All right, I'll take a baby starter, baby position with you just for fun, just for old time's sake.
Oh wow, I'm seeing already a 940 resume.
I just got 30 shares.
760. Oh my god, if that's accurate, this would be brutal for the longs on that.
Sketchy, man. So
1110.
CCH, let's see. So the loser list, BNAI, just more of a sleepy fade, man. Damn. Textbook. A and L is starting to kind of. Is there any volume there though? Oh my god. Ugh. Spread's disgusting. FIO dumped. Damn it, dude. FIO. Where were we?
Yeah, I mean we called it being that thing
Yeah.
always pumping and dumping.
Phase 1. Yeah, we knew that. We knew it. It's like the math just doesn't math. Okay, phase 1. Okay, cool. Not worth a double up. Not worth, 7% run. So yeah, that ABP long was textbook. That bear trap, bull sweep, and then shape shifting and chaos, follows. And then yeah, FGL, good call out there, and baby short with you. Let's see what else we got. Price drop just a few seconds before reopen, Charlie.
Yeah, it was playing around a little bit there right before.
You got 300 shares, Doug? Damn. On a funded? All right, Daddy.
Doug playing it big today.
Yeah, I mean, when those halts work out clean, man, it can be tempting to size big. It really can. Because it's like you see that consistency for a couple sessions, a couple trades, and just careful, sometimes the halts can trap you, so nothing's ever guaranteed, right?
Yeah, it was like Kelly B, I think. One of them, opened against me, and then but yeah, some of them can get you. You just gotta be careful. Good job, ABP, on that one, Crow. That one's curling back around.
So scalp watch, is that like something you integrate, you use alongside with tuna scores or your tuna, what is it? Yeah, tuna score.
LIMN heavy. LIMN on the previous close, guys. LIMN kind of heavy on that previous close. Dang.
ABP still pumping. Yeah, I got lemon sitting in lemon. Got 800 shares there now. Shit, I kind of should probably add more. Should have, could have, should have, would have. But yeah, like I said, guys, that news, like saying they're issuing shares because of a litigation, like that's not good. Like bulls don't want to, that's not something you buy up. Like, so added a little bit more there. I'll be looking for, maybe a magic 1 2 1 3. Um, my average is 151 right now with 1,000 shares, so I don't want to get greedy in this market, but I did like that news.
FGL, I might get greedy with. I'm going to see how it opens up. And if we shoot down again, because oftentimes, like, these splits will be one directional. And I'm not talking about
Mhm.
the band.
That's
It'll
crazy, dude. Jesus.
what?
Yeah, I mean, shit. Yeah, you ain't lying.
Do I ever lie, Age?
What even happened here? I got 30 shares. Who even am I? Doug's got 300. What's even going on right now? I need more coffee. Something. The hell?
10. 10's the resume, guys. Let's see how this thing opens. I'm seeing 10 as the resume now. Just drop from that 10.76, Charlie. 15 seconds.
Yeah, 950 is extreme. ABP, king of the day, guys. Kind of called that one. Goldman Sachs churn. Hindsight was 10-10. Should have loaded the farm. All sounds great in theory.
Resume going to 10 minutes. Oh, boy.
So I'm just gonna set a stop on limit in case they just bullshit me out of this one. Because that's always in the
We've been scarred so much by those wicks. And you see the wicks on lemon. I mean, that's why.
right. That's why I'm not
All right.
aggressive. I'm just kind of like
All right. Hey,
all
you
the
just
size.
let me know if anything happens. I got to do some push-ups or something. I need to get my blood flowing.
Yeah. Yeah, man, get that morning walk in, guys, or hit the gym. Like the gym was really a savior for me in my trading, really in my whole life. But it's like that is so therapeutic on frustrating days. Like reset the mental clarity to just reset and just lift heavy weight, right? Like cardio. We're not robots. We're not machines. We're not supposed to sit here at our desks all day in darkness. Like that's not what this life's about. Like that's not what we come here as traders to do, right? We come here to own our own lives and build freedom. And that means stepping away from the screen, stepping away from the market, like finding your balance. And that's kind of been my theme lately, like less is more. Like figure out where you thrive, like what hours you thrive, what hours are hurting you, and step away. Like build your system around that. Um, like pretty much, I built a system around like not sabotaging myself, and that's how I've succeeded. Like, it's really kind of comes down to that.
Yeah, I love it. Yep. Yeah, I got up and was gonna run this morning, and then I fell asleep right after that thought. But yesterday, my kids stayed home from school because my son was like up all night. He had stomach cramps and was.
Mm,
So I was up like like all night with him.
Oh man,
But
yeah,
he's good. He's good now.
yeah, because it's like when you have all that going on, your energy is kind of drained, and it's like harder to find time to just be like, I can take 2 hours to go to the gym. Like, it's like, where's that time even gonna come? Like, people are so busy nowadays,
Yeah,
especially.
that's the thing with kids for sure. It's like you got to be so intentional to work
Mhm.
out. EVMN has just been bleeding off that 30, dude. Yeah, Crow, I like
Mhm.
that. I need to really just set the timer. The beeper will go off in the background. Just do push ups, sit up, squats every hour. Yep, I'm with you.
Nice.
Remind me, Crow. We'll do it on stream together.
Yeah, it's funny how something just as simple
Look
as
at
like
that.
a neighborhood walk, right? Like just take a walk in the morning and get that sunlight. Like it's funny
Yeah.
how the little simple things are what matters. All right, so here I am. I'm in 11-cent profit with Lemon. Do I take my
Yeah,
bag
dude.
and run?
Apparently, take your bag. Look what they just did with CCHH and BRLS, just out of nowhere. Volume shooting
There's
in
a
those
big
names.
bid at 1.4 as well.
SMX.
But
SMX
I
has
have
been in
to
play.
get 1.4. I'll take a partial off, but I'm not going to take it all.
SMX woke up from the dead again today, dude. But decent risk levels.
Okay.
FGL is 10.72 resume right now. We'll see as it gets closer. 10.76 to the. I think we're about like a minute. We're about a minute off from that open.
hmm Yeah, so Lemon has gone red on the day. I did go ahead and take it, guys. I guess just because of the timing and whatnot, it could be great for an all-day fade. But yeah, like Kevin said, I've just been burned so much at this time. Take my 11 cents, my 100 something bucks, and keep it pushing.
The resume keeps changing between 10.76 and like 11.50. So we'll see what it does. I'm gonna determine if I might size it if it panics down into another halt, or if it opens up and looks like it's hesitating. I'll take most of it off. Yeah, good call, Crow. FIO
Um,
is it's a
and
tricky
ABP
market.
rejected as well. ABP rejection, big rejection. ABP, 30-cent rejection. CCH got rowdy. Yeah, like you said, it's like that zombie hour, zombie, not even zombie hour, zombie, this Lazarus, the Lazarus effect. Like, I'm just, you never know what's
Another
coming.
down halt. Another down halt.
PGL, FGL.
I think.
Wait, what happened? Oh, okay. I'm like, why do I only have?
Yeah, I'm gonna hit it again.
I'm not getting to. I got 90 shares now. I'm calm. Doug said 300 something, but I mean, that was a good play though to take profit. If you were that heavy to then just go ahead and take profit as soon as it opens, right? Because this is where it becomes a little bit more dangerous is chasing halts down because it's like they can flip the script on the halt.
Don't be saying all that. No, you tell me what I want to hear.
I can do both. I can do a little bit of both.
Yes.
Yeah, Doug, that's a smart play. Smart play. You
Yes.
got aggressive at the right time. You saw the good pitch. You saw that perfect pitch, and you swung, and you made contact. Hit. Good work, bro.
All right. So this is look, all you need is one of these. I knew to be staring at FGL because as soon as man,
I'm
this thing, dude,
showing
if it
that
resumes at
8.
dude,
Yeah,
if it
that
resumes at 7.5, 7.8, now it's 9. Whatever, as long as it's lower. I'm
I could
taking
see it at 9.
I don't
I could see
have
it at 9.
SMX. Let's take a look.
ABP rejected.
So
Let me right back.
with those reverse splits, I'll tell you guys the secret hunch I have on them.
I hear
Essentially, like with those reverse splits, they're going in they're going in halts up or halts downs essentially. And what you can do is kind of I was saying earlier, you can wait just for the selling pressure to start coming in, and then capitalize on that. You're kind of just going with that momentum, but those reverse split names are really fairly predictable in that regard. Doug, made your money. Good work. Got to go to work. Good job. SMX, Emmanuel, 1K. Whew. Emmanuel, what'd you do on this thing? Did you scale it? I want to know how you traded it. Did you kind of scale it on the way up? Yeah, SMX, man. What a again, volume, volatility coming into this name. FGL, man, this is nice. Let's see where she's going to resume. I'm seeing 938, 94, 8 something. So it's 94 right now. JZXN I see is in a halt too. Let's see JZXN. Chinese. They're waking them up. Fades.
We back.
Get your space boots on. I might be eating Chinese for lunch today. JZXN.
Oh, okay. Ooh, time to lick my chops.
I know, for real. Let's see if FGL is going to be a 5-minute halt or not.
You got trade the pool today?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I just looked at the time. Yeah, JZXN news is. What is the news? Good work, Doug.
I may have broke the volume rule. I don't even know. We'll see. I did on like one trade. Oh, FGL. I don't know. I sized it a little bit more. I only have 150 shares on it, but
no, you should be fine.
all right, let's see if it's a 5-minute halt. I'm seeing 945. Yeah, you shorted SMX. I just didn't know if it was a single entry. You scaled it a bit. Was curious how you took that one.
JZXN, you're in long, Crow? Virgin breakout? Virgin Galactica?
FGL looks real heavy though. So I'm gonna take half off and see what it does. If it starts getting a pop up,
Yeah, it could be due for like, some halt games back, back up and then down all around. So that
see.
was
It might open up here in a few seconds on a 5-minute. Let's see.
Doug played that really well.
Mm-hmm.
Like aggressive at the right time. I'm gonna go ahead and take, oh, there we go, nines. Kind of scared since it came that far, so fingers on the trigger to take the rose.
Whoa.
I just don't like that spread, dude. I'm out most. Small profit, 60 something dollars. Take that all day.
Yeah, I'm taking it too. 9.5s is the spread. It's kind of
I got out about 9.4, 9.3, probably an average. So the thing could pop back to 11 now. Yeah, see, like that, the spread is crazy. Best to get in on the front end, usually worth the risk catching it. Yeah. Yeah, it's all, it's like go to that party and have fun and leave, just don't overstay the party. Like when you see the crowd starting to thin out, right? It's like you can tell when a party's starting to die. Just don't be the last one there. It's a really good analogy, I feel
okay.
like the house party.
JZXN is about to open up too at 244. So this is a Chinese pump or JXNN. JZXN. And I got to go to TTP, but let's see where this one's going to open up.
Okay.
5 seconds. Oh, we just opened JZXN.
It's not showing tradable for me. I'm getting that grayed out thing again. Damn it. This is why I have it on my phone.
Heading higher. There's going to be a trade here, though. Hopefully, it goes higher, because if it just goes straight into a down haul, it's going to... We'd like it a little higher here. Yeah, it's dumping a little bit. Big orders on the ask. Yeah, I can't really take a trade on it because, I mean, this thing started its move at like 1.7, so it's not up that much.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, rejection there, but I'm grayed out. I have to like reset my platform. Probably best I don't touch this one. FGL, what'd they do? Halt up?
Yeah.
Uh,
11.5 open price.
hmm.
Crazy. And then JZXN is seeing some trouble, but MBOT should be fading soon. Is that Carlos? 365 cab. All right, MBOT. Yeah, MBOT's heavy against 2. Good job, Emmanuel. Out, never touching it again. Which one, Crow? Called it at 195. Usually on.
Oh wow, ABP.
Oh, you're talking JZXN, Crow. You playing with fire over there. But hey, you worked the momentum.
Bag holder wasteland. ABP and JZXN big sell-offs.
Man, EVMN has been such a clean fade. Yeah, good call, Charlie. Man, it felt like this one they were going to toy with a little bit more today, but they really haven't. It's just been a clean fade.
Yeah, you'll see that. It's like a little bit more expensive one, right? They couldn't get enough inventory to play with it enough, probably. I guess that's maybe what happened there. I don't know, just a speculation. But yeah, EVMN guys, anyone who caught that short, great work. Textbook is possible. It's a great trade there. Great fade off that breakdown.
All right, traders, I'm going to head to trade the pool. If you want to keep the party going, head over there. Otherwise, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll get the action going again. You guys know what to watch. And then, yeah, we got Ding Dong Tuna still heading this coming month to S&P Capital. Whoa! Let's go. Yeah, I'm excited for that, Carlos. That is sweet.
That's what's up. Right on.
All right, man. Appreciate you, Fades.
All right, guys.
Peace.
Take care, y'all.